Good evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. Today was the expiry of the March futures and option series, and in line with that the markets were fairly volatile, but only towards the last half hour of trade. Finally though, the benchmark indices at least finished with reasonable gains of around 0.5 to 0.6%. The BSE Sensex finally closed around 22,214 and the Nifty closed at 6641. The small and the mid cap stocks actually did better today, as the small cap, BSE small cap and mid cap index were higher than the Sensex, and this trend actually has continued throughout this March series, where the BSE mid cap index and the small cap index have done better than the Sensex. Coming to the broader markets, the BSE consumer durables index was the biggest gainer today, up around 1.5%. Oil and gas stocks also saw some gains, and that index was up around 1.3%. Although the Bankex was up only around 0.7% today, it was the one that saw the biggest rally in this series, and for the March series it was up as much as 18%. The healthcare stocks, on the other hand, were the biggest declines today, and that index was down around 0.8%, again in keeping with the trend that we have seen throughout this series. Coming to some individual stocks, L&T was in the news as it announced that L&T Construction has got orders worth around 2,000 crores in March. That stock gained around 0.6% at the close of trade, but it was up by a bigger margin in intraday trade. Also, Reliance was in the news as it said that it has got 2 exploration blocks in Myanmar, and that stock finally finished up around 1.3%. Also in the news was NTPC, which said that commercial operations have started in 2 of its thermal power plants, and the stock gained around 1.7% today. Coming to the Sensex names, there was some rotation and surprise gainers, as SBI and Bharti Airtel were the top gainers, both up nearly 4%. For SBI, some foreign brokerage has upgraded the stock to a buy from a neutral, and that's probably impacting price as well. Also, Hero MotoCorp was up around 3.1%. At the bottom of the pile, it was Dr. Reddy's once again down around 1.8%, and Sesa Sterlite, which corrected and closed down around 1.3%. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.